Hi, my name is Shannon Toon from Craft Burger and Dining with the Toons, and today we're going to be making a grilled Vidalia and Heirloom tomato burger. So we're going to just season our all-natural ground beef with some salt and pepper, about half a teaspoon of each, and then we are going to take this and make 4 4-ounce patties. So we have our skillet here that we've preheated. We're just gonna give it a quick spray with some non-stick spray. And then we're gonna add our burgers. So we've grilled the burgers, and now what we're gonna do is just kind of grill our onions. We don't want to take them very far, just want to get some nice grill marks in there, release some of the sugar. And we're just gonna let them go for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. So we've got our burgers grilled. We melted some baby Swiss cheese on top, and we have our grilled Vidalia onions on top of that. So we're gonna build our burger real quick, and we're gonna take some of these mixed greens right here. We're gonna put it on the bottom of our whole wheat buns. Add just a little bit of this Greek avocado dressing. Greek yogurt avocado dressing on top of that. Super simple, easy, quick burger recipes featuring these awesomely sweet Vidalia onions. Sure to be a crowd pleaser. So here are grilled Vidalia and Heirloom tomato burgers. It's sure to be a hit with the family and a great springtime, summertime burger.